Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to cover the sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. First, take a look at these pictures. So to pronounce the sound, back of your tongue rises up but doesn't touch the soft palate. And the second thing you have to remember that the sound is an aspirated sound. So you have to push the air out of the mouth when you say the words with the sound. And the third thing you have to remember is the sound is a long sound. So when you say the words with the sound at the beginning of the words, you have to prolong the sound a little bit. Okay, now let's try to say the sound. Now let's practice some words with the sound. The first word is khó, khô, khổ, khóc, không, khéo, khuôn, khuyên, khôn khéo, khuôn khổ, khúc khích, khò khè, khang cười, khúc khích. Now let's try to say it a little bit faster. Khang cười khúc khích. Khánh khổ nhưng không khóc. A little bit faster. Khánh khổ nhưng không khóc. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to download the textbooks, get the link in the description. Or if you want to make donation from me, so get the information in the description. Thank you for watching.